Alright, hi guys, my name is Alyssa Langdon. I am in my fourth year at Metro. I'm a psychology major with a sociology minor. So mostly just taking this class to fulfill a requirement, but I think that juveniles and juvenile delinquency is super interesting and how all that works and trying as adults and everything. Three risk factors that I thought were interesting would be the parental separation. Just 40 to 50% of couples divorcing is just, that in itself is sad. And the fact there's children there, that I know that can really mess kids up and not only cause delinquency and deviant behaviors to happen, but also, mentally scar them and give them issues in other realms as well. Another risk factor was the social media. Social media is such a big thing in people's lives right now. And it's shocking to see just how much cyberbullying goes on. In the study they talked about in the book, 25% of the students said they had been victims to cyberbullying, and 16% admitted to cyberbullying others, and that's just shocking to me, the amount that goes on, and we all know it happens, but to actually see the numbers is, it's kind of shocking to just know how many people are actually a part of this, I don't want to call it a fad, but this time and these awful things happening. And the third one that I thought was interesting was education. Education is such a big thing, and I just was shocked to know that the amount of people that were not, the amount of children that could not read at their grade level, that just was extremely, it brought me down a lot. It was really sad to me. I love reading and I love learning things, and it's sad to me that there's so many children who can't read at their grade level, and then, some people that don't graduate high school, or it takes them, it's okay to take extra time, but they just drop out for whatever reason. It's just really sad to me. The TED Talk, though, I thought that was really interesting. I didn't realize how many juveniles were in the situation where they were convinced to admit to the crime they didn't commit. And I think that part of that could be because of those risk factors. A child who doesn't have the education, they're not at the right education levels, they could possibly not know their rights or have the resources in order to use those rights. And then, if their parents aren't there because they're separated or whatever that may be because of, that could also cause a problem. They don't realize that, oh, hey, I should maybe call my parents because their parents aren't in the picture. Or, the foster care system, they don't have anyone, they've emancipated or something, so they don't have even the foster care going on at that point. There were just so many risk factors that were shocking to me that could be part of the reason that children do admit to crimes they don't commit, and I think that's really sad that that's something that's going on, and I agree with the speaker that needs to be changed. Police officers need to be trained better in how to talk to children, and there needs to be a better system in place for that, I think. But I'm really excited to learn more about juvenile delinquency and to delve deeper into this.